Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican stewed peas with chicken feet and chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have my red kidney beans. Now I'm gonna be adding pimento and garlic. Now I'm gonna be cooking this for roughly about an hour and a half. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding my chicken feet and my chicken, and you want to cook these until they are tender. Now guys, we're moving over to our spinners. Now for the spinners, you're going to combine flour and cornmeal, and you're going to add water to form a dough, and this is what's going to give your stew peas the thickness, yeah? Now guys, after 30 minutes of cooking, we're going to be adding our season, which includes your pepper, your scallion, and your thyme. You're also going to add coconut milk, which will give it this amazing flavor, guys. Now, important note guys, you want to go ahead and taste your sauce just to see if it's to your liking, and then if it's not, you can just go ahead and adjust it. Now guys, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chicken base. You guys can go ahead and use chicken bouillon if you guys have. Now this is just gonna give your stew an amazing flavor, guys. Now I'm gonna cook this on medium heat for another 30 minutes until it's thickened. Now after this is how it looks. I went ahead and I served that with coconut rice, some raw vegetables, and plantains. I do love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.